Now, let's proceed to the last problem. We have here x squared plus 3x plus 6. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin siyang solve without using calculator. So, we have a equals, we all know that a is 1, b is 3, c, we have 6. Okay? Dahil naka-standard form na yan. Then, we have x squared, that is roots. X equals minus b, or negative b, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, by this time, siguro, kabisado nyo na yung formula, no? Kasi pinapaulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo. We have, of course, negative b. Negative b is negative, we have 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, we have 3. Let us write 3 squared here, minus 4. We have a na 1, c, that is 6. And all over 2a, we have 2 times 1. Okay? So, now, let's simplify this one. Negative times positive 3, that's negative 3, right? So, we have positive or negative square root of... Kita nyo pa ba? Ayusin natin. Okay, so lagyan natin dito ng counting space. So, we have negative 3 plus or minus square root of the things na nasa loob. 3 squared, that is 9. 4 times 1, that is 4. Times 6, we have 24. Tapos may minus pa dito. Ayan o. Minus 24. Okay? 2 times 1, that is 2. Now, let's continue this one at this part. Okay? So, we have x equals, ano kaya yung sagot? Of course, let us copy first the negative 3. Kasi kusuyin muna natin na nasa loob ng bahay, which is 9 minus 24. 9 minus 24, that is going to be, okay, kung natatandaan nyo pa yung rules of subtraction, no? Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, that is negative 15. All over 2. Now, may nakikita akong mali dito. Hindi naman sa mali na yung sagot, no? Ang nakikita ako dito, may problema. There is something complex here. As you can see, gawin natin siyang red. Sige nga, kung may mata kayo, tignan natin kung ano yung may problema dito. Okay, so, nakikita natin dito na yung square root na to ay mayroong pa-epal na negative 15. So, bakit may negative? May negative 15, yung sagot kanina dito. Therefore, sabi ko nga nakaraang discussion natin, kapag may negative numbers sa loob ng radicand, then, possibly, walang solution dun sa real number o dun sa roots na hinahanap natin. So, therefore, we can conclude that the square root of the negative number is not defined in the real number system. The equation has no real number solution. Okay? No roots, no real number solution. This gonna be your alternative answer for you to handle this particular complex number. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, no real number solution ang magiging final answer natin, no? Parang ironic, no? No real number solution, may solution, pero hindi yan. So, anyways, basta ganyan po natin gagawin. Kapag nakita ka ng negative, okay, stop na yung computation. Alam natin na ang sagot ay no real number solution. Okay? Pero kapag ganyan lang yan, ha? So, kaya natin sagutin without calculator, but in this time, nakita naman tayo isang sagot. Kanina, nakita natin isang sagot lang, pero dito, walang sagot. Okay? Yun ang mga cases na may encounter natin if we solve quadratic equation in this particular method. Okay? So, this time, it's your turn. Okay? So, let's continue the 2 exercises kanina. So, solve mo po itong 16x squared minus 24x plus 9 equals 0 and x plus 5x plus 5 equals 0. Okay? So, once again, write your answer in your notebook with your complete process, the way we use the formula here, and then we will check it when we see you in the classroom. Okay? So, good luck, and thank you for listening.